Greetings. This is Kevin Jefferson, cash flow creator. Follow the Forex fam and followmytrades.com here with Trade Theory on Monday, was it November 21st, 2022, and the time is 3:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the markets are closed now as far as the U.S. is concerned, and I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts now the markets have closed to give you some indications of what I see coming on. So this is the WTI crude chart here. And I've spoken about this previously and specifically said that price was in a level one long, and so it could continue higher. Price is having a hard time establishing that higher price above that. I actually pitched $93.13, 93.126 to be exact, as that next point of moving higher, and it hasn't done that. And so my expectation would be that maybe price is done pulling back off the day's lows. It touched the low of 75.076, as I mentioned before, which was a target price, first target price on the downside. So price could be pulling back here and then continuing down, or it may continue a little higher back up to the 84.061 range in the coming days before it actually drops again. But I definitely expect price to drop. And if it doesn't drop, obviously there's a contingency plan in place for that as well. So I'm eyeing downside targets of about $62.14, and then a final target of $59.51 are possibilities as it relates to oil right now, WTI crude specifically. And then when you look at the Brent crude charts, this was the one that I did a video of some months back, or at least some weeks ago, and I kept an eye on the target price of $100.81. And so, as I've mentioned, price has not gotten up to that level. It's really struggling to get there. And with everything that, we got Christmas and the holidays, but essentially everybody bracing for a slowdown. That we could be wrong completely, but with everything that's in play globally, I don't know if price is going to get up that high in the near term, at least. So price did get close to the low of 81.442, which was a target downside price that I mentioned. And so I could see price pulling back up to the $90.61 range possibly, before continuing lower to the 81.442, and then ultimately to $75.51. That's Brent crude. So there's an opposite side play to that as well, but we'll just kind of watch the price play out over the coming days before we get into all that. So looking for oil prices to actually drop over the coming weeks, and we'll see what happens there, and keep you updated. To learn more about this, go to fmtrades.com, and we'll keep you posted on all we have going on. Until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.